The $16 trillion tokenization boom. How BlackRock and Ondo are changing finance forever. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a licensed professional before making financial decisions. Imagine a world where you can own a fraction of a luxury skyscraper in New York, a Picasso painting in Paris, or shares in a high-growth startup, all with just a few taps on your phone. That future isn't decades away. It's happening right now. And it's all thanks to tokenization, the financial revolution set to unlock trillions of dollars and forever change the way we invest. Some experts are predicting that by 2030, tokenized assets could be worth as much as $16 trillion. This isn't speculation. This is the direction the world's largest financial institutions are moving toward. And if BlackRock, the biggest asset manager on the planet, is leading the charge with its tokenized fund already attracting over $500 million, you know this is serious. Stick around, because in today's video, we'll break down exactly what tokenization is, how it works, why BlackRock, Ondo Finance, XRP Ledger, and Chainlink are positioning themselves at the forefront, and most importantly, what this means for your financial future. First of all, what is tokenization? Tokenization is the process of converting real-world assets, such as real estate, artwork, commodities, stocks, and even bonds, into digital tokens on a blockchain. These tokens represent ownership, can be traded instantly, and bring liquidity to assets that were once locked away for only the ultra-wealthy. Traditionally, investing in high-value assets like luxury real estate or fine art was reserved for institutions and ultra-high-net-worth individuals. Buying into these markets required large amounts of capital, extensive paperwork, and long lockup periods. But tokenization completely changes the game by breaking down these assets into fractional shares, making them more accessible, tradable, and efficient than ever before. This isn't just a theory. It's already happening. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has launched its own tokenized fund, and institutional investors are taking notice. But why is tokenization the future of investing? Experts predict that the tokenized asset market could reach between $2 trillion and $16 trillion by 2030. And here's why. First, tokenization dramatically increases liquidity. By turning traditionally illiquid assets like private equity or real estate into instantly tradable digital assets, investors can buy and sell in real time without waiting months or years for transactions to settle. Second, it reduces costs and inefficiencies. Middlemen, brokers, and lengthy paperwork have long made transactions slow and expensive. But with blockchain and smart contracts, these costs are significantly reduced, if not eliminated entirely. Third, it democratizes access to investment opportunities. Historically, only institutional investors and the ultra-wealthy could afford to participate in alternative investments like hedge funds, private equity, and fine art. But tokenization opens the door for everyday investors to own a fraction of high-value assets, leveling the playing field like never before. And fourth, it enhances security and transparency. Blockchain's immutable ledger ensures every transaction is trackable, fraud-resistant, and recorded permanently, making investing safer and more trustworthy than ever before. With all these benefits, it's no surprise that some of the biggest financial institutions on the planet are going all in on tokenization. That brings us to the key players and real-world examples. Let's take a look at the major players shaping the future of tokenization. First, we have BlackRock. BlackRock launched its tokenized USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, BUIDL, in March 2024 on the Ethereum blockchain. This fund is designed to provide institutional-grade, blockchain-based liquidity, and in just a few months, it has already attracted over $500 million in assets. BlackRock's CEO has openly called tokenization the next generation for markets. That's not just hype, that's a signal to the entire financial world. Next up, Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance is pioneering real-world asset tokenization by bringing stocks, bonds, and US Treasuries on-chain. In January 2025, Ondo announced its expansion to the XRP Ledger, making it easier than ever to tokenize and trade traditional financial assets. Ondo's global markets. Ondo GM platform is making it possible for anyone in the world to gain exposure to tokenized US Treasuries, blue-chip stocks, and corporate bonds. This means global investors can buy, sell, and hold tokenized versions of Apple stock or US government bonds using blockchain technology, without the usual barriers of traditional finance. And speaking of XRP, let's talk about the XRP Ledger. Ripple's XRP Ledger, XRPL, is uniquely designed to support fast, efficient tokenization and trading of assets. With its built-in decentralized exchange and near-zero transaction costs, XRPL is already being used to tokenize money market funds, real estate, and even entire investment funds. And finally, let's talk about Chainlink, the backbone of tokenization infrastructure. Chainlink is critical because it provides real-world data to smart contracts, ensuring that tokenized assets remain accurate and verifiable. By bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain, Chainlink enables secure, decentralized tokenization at scale. So what does the future hold for tokenization? Governments and institutions are moving fast. The World Economic Forum, SEC, and central banks are exploring regulatory frameworks to support tokenized assets. As we move toward 2030, it's clear that tokenization isn't just a trend, it's the future of finance. The question isn't if tokenization will change finance. The question is, how soon will you be part of it? Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think tokenization will become the new norm? Drop a comment below and let's get the discussion started. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future-defining finance insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.